Welcome to Vroom Vibes. When the engine roars, luxury never stops. The 2026 Audi R8 is more than just a car. It's a statement, a supercar that blends visceral performance with cutting-edge design and unmistakable Audi DNA. As the automotive world rapidly shifts toward electrification, the 2026 R8 might be the last of its kind. A high-performance, naturally aspirated V10 sports car that dares to remain analog in a digital age. Under the hood, the R8 continues to be powered by Audi's iconic 5.2-liter V10 engine. It's a power plant that has defined the R8 for over a decade, and in this final evolution, it's tuned to deliver more than 600 horsepower. The engine revs with surgical precision, screaming toward its 8,700 RPM redline, while the Quattro all-wheel drive system provides razor-sharp handling and relentless grip. Performance figures are staggering: 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, a top speed of over 200 miles per hour, and a driving experience that's both refined and feral. Whether you're carving through canyon roads or pushing it to the limit on a track, the R8 remains a masterclass in balance and control. The design of the 2026 R8 pays homage to its racing pedigree while pushing the boundaries of modern automotive styling. A redesigned front fascia, larger air intakes, and a new active rear diffuser enhance both cooling and aerodynamics. Lightweight carbon fiber accents are used throughout the body, reducing weight and increasing rigidity. It's lower, wider, and more planted than any previous R8, giving it a more aggressive stance that matches its performance capabilities. Step inside, and the cabin is a blend of luxury and motorsport precision. Audi's virtual cockpit returns with updated graphics and customization options. The driver-centric layout places everything within easy reach, while premium materials like Napa leather, Alcantara, and forged carbon elevate the feel of the interior. It's a space built for performance, yet comfortable enough for everyday driving. Technology is seamlessly integrated into the driving experience. A new performance telemetry system records lap times, G-forces, and throttle input, allowing drivers to analyze their performance in real time. Adaptive suspension, dynamic steering, and customizable drive modes offer an unparalleled level of control and feedback, making the R8 feel at home, whether it's on city streets or the Nürburgring. But perhaps the most compelling aspect of the 2026 Audi R8 is what it represents. It's the last chapter of an era. A naturally aspirated, combustion-powered supercar in a world rapidly turning electric. Audi has confirmed that future R8 successors will likely be fully electric, and while that future is exciting, there's something deeply emotional about this final V10. For enthusiasts and collectors alike, the 2026 R8 isn't just a car. It's a time capsule. A reminder of what made driving thrilling: the sound of a high-revving engine, the feel of perfectly weighted steering, and the connection between man and machine. In many ways, it's Audi's farewell to traditional performance, and it goes out in the most spectacular way possible. So whether you're looking for one of the last great supercars or simply want to experience automotive purity before it's gone, the 2026 Audi R8 stands as a bold, beautiful swan song for an unforgettable legacy. This model pays tribute to Audi's racing heritage while embracing future-facing performance. It's a swan song for combustion power as Audi moves toward fully electric successors. Enthusiasts and collectors will see this as a time capsule of pure driving emotion. The 2026 R8 delivers one last thrill before the analog era fades away. Don't forget to subscribe for more car deep dives and premium audio content.